In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Mentimeter into Canva. By the end, you'll have an interactive Mentimeter presentation sitting right inside your Canva design, ready to resize and present without leaving your project. First, start in Mentimeter. Open the presentation you want to use so you are looking at the slides you plan to embed. In the top right corner, click the Share button. This is where Mentimeter gives you ways to distribute your content. Look for an option labeled Presentation Sharing Link or Embed Slides. Either one will provide a URL that lets Canva display your presentation. Copy that link to your clipboard. If you have multiple sharing options, choose the one specifically meant for sharing or embedding. The key is that it's a public or shareable link so Canva can pull it in. Now switch to Canva. Open the design where you want your Mentimeter to appear. On the left side menu, find Apps. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar and type Embed. Select the Embed app, then paste the Mentimeter URL into the field provided. When you are ready, click Add to Design. Canva will fetch the content and place it on your canvas. You'll see a live Menti iframe appear in your design. This is interactive content, not just a static screenshot, which means it updates from the source link and can be navigated in real time. Click and drag the corners to resize it, and use Canva's guides to align it with your layout. Resizing from the corners helps maintain proportions, so your slides stay crisp and readable. If you are building a slide deck, consider leaving a bit of padding around the frame so nothing looks cramped. Once it's placed, you can interact with it using the navigation arrows that appear on the iframe. These arrows let you move through your Mentimeter slides directly inside Canva. It's a good idea to click through a couple of slides to confirm everything loads smoothly. If the frame doesn't display, double-check that you pasted a shareable Mentimeter link and that your internet connection is stable. Since the content streams live, that's it. Thanks for watching.